Novel and unique product design. Advanced process technology. Meticulous workmanship, smooth wiring, exquisite craftsmanship. Seat function upgrade. Electric headrest demo. Electric backrest demo. Electric backrest bending degree demo. Electric front and rear adjustment demo. Electric leg rest adjustment demo. Electric leg support secondary telescopic adjustment demo. Electric 12-point adjustment switch and USB interface. 3-speed ventilation and heating massage to improve comfort. Multifunctional armrest box. Multiple storage spaces. Wireless charging. Cup holder. Shoe size. Shoe strength. Personal customization. Personalized functional design to meet your diverse needs.